Welcome to Cover. Through this tutorial, we'll explore how to share a magazine as a reader. Cover offers a variety of content worth sharing with your fanbase, colleagues, friends, and family. Sharing a magazine has never been easier. At Cover, we provide a range of options to expand your reach. To begin, open the magazine and look for the toolbar under the publication. Then, head to the right corner and click on the Share button. This action brings up the Share Magazine menu, offering multiple ways to share. Share a link, embed in email, send email preview pages, and embed in a website. Let's have an overview. Share a link allows you to copy the link to your website and customize it to the specific page you want to share. You can also copy the magazine thumbnail to include in emails or other platforms. Below, you'll find the Social option. Select your preferred email and social media platform. With just a few clicks, your magazine will be shared with your audience. Embed in email is another convenient tool. Simply open your email platform, copy the embed code, and paste it in your email draft. Customize as needed, and your magazine will be ready to be sent. Cover provides the option to send email preview pages. This will provide your recipients with a selected preview, with the option to read the complete magazine. Fill out the necessary information, select the pages you want to include, and send your curated email. Build a great website with Cover. Embed in website provides you with a code to copy. This feature integrates your magazine into your website, offering your followers a powerful and original experience. Explore countless possibilities with Cover's innovative features. Cover, your home for a little more.